everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So I got a Temu order today and it's mostly clothing. Hubby wanted that dental tool kit, so I got that for him. I've already given it to him. I don't know where he put it. So let's see. This is mostly clothing in here. Okay, so there is one thing. Let me see, where is it? Of course, I just had it, but well, we'll look at it. It's different than clothing. But this one is a long sleeve shirt, white, in large. Oh, there it is. This one should be long sleeve shirt in black, large. Another shirt, black, large. I really like how they come individually packaged like this. Another shirt, large. I know, I went nuts. Another shirt, large. Large seems to fit me good. I've gotten tops from them before. And this one is a large. Okay, whew, that's it. Except for this. I got this to plug in my phone overnight. Yeah. All right, so prices will be on the screen starting with this. And I'll put the dental tool kit on the screen as well, the price. Or actually, sorry, no, I'll put it down below, the link and everything. And all the links for these will be below as well if you're interested in anything. I'm not affiliated with Temu, but I do like their products. TOPK, it says. This is supposed to be 6 feet long. I'm going to try it out tonight. Okay. Now for a fashion show. Okay, here's the first one. Just a tank top. I like the length. I don't think it's too long. I don't wear black leggings here. Goes to about here. I don't know about those ties on the shoulders, but I don't know. I think it looks cute. The top itself, and it's kind of a lacy, you know, airy. Yeah. So I like it. It fits very well. All right, let's go on to the next one. All right, so here's a red one, the same as the black. The buttons actually go all the way down the front. The bottom part here is sewn together. Let's see. Oh, it's all sewn together. The buttons are just for looks, I guess. I like it. I like it a lot. What do you guys think? You can get a better look at the laciness and like, yeah, it's got some interesting, what do you call it? Design. I like it. I like it. There's the bad. I like it. All right. Large, fits good. All right, next one. And then there's this one. I think Nancy, and she's got yarn too, got one like this. I'm gonna link Nancy below. I think you did, didn't you, Nancy? So pretty. Kind of straighten these things out though, I think. But anyway, I think it's cute. Yeah. Also a large, they're all large. Materials feel really nice. Yes, really nice. Yeah, I like the lengths. Yeah, goes to about here. Yeah. And here's a t-shirt. It's in kind of a greenish color, which I kind of like. And it says thankful. I definitely am thankful. I think it fits perfectly. Yes. Large. Feels so soft. Let me just check this out. Made in China. It's 95 polyester, 5% elastane. Machine wash, cold, gentle cycle, do not bleach, tumble, dry, low, iron if needed, dry cleanable in gentle cycle. Yeah, I didn't show off anything here while I was reading that. So yeah, I like it. I like it. Next. Alright, so long sleeve, black. This one is just to wear under things for the extra warmth. Feels a little tight on my arms here. It is a large. I checked the label. That's what it says. I like the fabric. It's nice and soft and smooth. I like the length. Right here. Yeah. So, yeah, it's very, very plain. Just a little tight on my arms here. Just, I can feel it pulling a little tight, but it's not, you know, it's not crazy tight, but a little bit tight. This fabric seems a little stretchy, but not that stretchy. Yeah, but this is good just to wear under something for extra warmth. That's why I got this one. All right, next one. All right, here's the same one I just showed you that was black. This one's in white. This is just to wear underneath something as well for that extra warmth for my arms. This one doesn't quite feel as tight as the other one on the arms. I don't know, but anyway, I bought this one with the long sleeves to wear under underwear under this hoodie. This is a hoodie that I designed. I'll link the tutorial for this one, but you know, I figured, you know, so the wind doesn't go through so much, then you know, you have long sleeves under it. Yeah, I don't want to put it on over top of it right now because, well, it's hot in here. It's hot in central Canada, really hot. We've had some thunderstorms go through. Yeah, so anyway, yeah. So that's it. That's it for this fashion show. Thank you so much. And like I said, if you're interested, everything will be linked below. And I'll see you all again soon. All right, thank you. Bye.